Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make creme brulee custard. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 5 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth process. This classic dessert is surprisingly simple to master with a few key steps. Next, we'll create the custard base. Heat the heavy cream and vanilla extract in a saucepan over medium-low heat until just simmering, but do not boil. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks and sugar together until they are pale yellow and slightly thickened. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. Now it's time to bake our custards. Strain the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve into your prepared ramekins. This removes any potential lumps for a silky smooth texture. Place the ramekins into a larger baking dish and fill the dish with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, carefully remove the ramekins from the water bath and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow them to fully set. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each custard. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it's a beautiful golden brown crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.